In this video, I'll show you how to see story archive in Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? If you'd love to see the story archive on your Facebook account, just click on your profile, right? On your account, click on settings and privacy, click on the activity log, wait for it to load up. Now you're gonna move down, you're gonna look for story, right? So I think this is story activity. And right here in the story activity, you're gonna see everything, right? So if you have posted a lot of videos on your story, like everything, you're gonna see it. This is basically where all of them is gonna archive, right? And wait for you whenever you want to come and see it, you come and see it. So you're gonna see your stories, you're gonna see your story activity. So this is how you can check your story archive here on Facebook. If you find this really helpful, share thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.